Hello, y'all. Today I went to my local hardware store and I found something very strange. So, y'all may remember back in the day I had an older HD135F. Well, today I found now they had 8 of them, so I bought 2 of them. So, I'm going to start with this one because it's already open. I wonder if they test differently. That's one of the questions I have. Quick connector. This is like one of the last legacy units. Manual? Please see manual. The bracket and the alarm itself. The battery. When does this thing expire? 2019. And here's the manufacturing date. 2016, June 2nd. This is almost exactly 9 years old. Just over 9 years old. So let me connect this battery. These things are very quiet when you power these on. Let's test it. Oh. Battery must be in the wrong way. Let me try it again. Hold on, hang on. Yep, I put it in the wrong. Let's try the other polarity. Where's the polarity? Hang on. Upon further investigation, I found out that the battery is dead. So I'll have to get another one. I'll be right back. Alright, I got a fresh battery. Let's try this again. Battery. Let's test it. Alright, this might be a little loud, so. This is slow. Wow. This thing is very slow. I was expecting it to be a little bit faster than that. Alright. Put that on my side. Let's do alarm number 2. For whatever reason, it's all taped up. I don't know why. Must have been falling apart or something. Let's see if I can. Alright. Let's see. Oh yeah, I forgot. Here's the tamper resistant for the other one. Anyways, continuing. Hang on. Sorry about this. Sorry it's taking me so long. I got that old Home Depot smell too. So, same, you know the drill. Connector, manual. Mounting plate, sorry. And the alarm itself. So this one was made on 2017, February 9th. My first one was made on the exact same day. That's not cool. Alright. Okay, this one has some juice in it. I don't know if it's going to be enough, but I'll try. I don't know if this is going to be enough, but I'll test it. And that's not good. That battery is super dead. So I'm going to put a new battery in. I'll be right back. Fresh battery. I know this is out of my 8 SMI 105 AC. This should... Anyways, fresh 9-volt battery. Here we go. Hopefully it doesn't blast me with an alarm. Alright, let's try this again. That's a lower pitch. So, hope you all like this video. So, see ya.